Welcome, today I am with Xiaomi Redmi Note 10s from the European distribution, and we are going to check if this smartphone comes with original protective case and a box set. So let's click open it. And we'll probably find it right here in this place, and as you can see, yeah, we can find here this kind of protective case. It's a silicone case that we can put on our phone. And as you can see, it covers screen, here we got the good access for our fingerprint sensor, for speakers at the bottom and at the top, and it's a silicone case, but that's nice that they added here. So if you find this video helpful, remember to leave a like, comment and subscribe.